For this tutorial, you will need some super bulky weight yarn, some worsted weight yarn, a 6.5 millimeter hook, a 6 millimeter hook, a pair of scissors, and a threading needle. Okay, let's get started. To start, we're going to be using our super bulky weight yarn and our 6.5 millimeter hook. Okay, so we're going to make a slip knot and then we're going to chain up 7. Okay, now we're going to make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then single crochet in each chain. Okay, chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to single crochet in your first single crochet. And then in the back loops only, in the next 4 single crochet, we're going to work single crochet. Okay, and in the last single crochet, we're just going to work a single crochet. Okay, chain 1. We're going to turn our work, and then we're going to repeat the same thing we did on the last row. We're going to work a single crochet in the first single crochet, and then in the back loops only, we're going to work a single crochet in the next 4 single crochets. Okay, and then we're going to work 1 single crochet in the last single crochet. Chain 1, turn our work, and we're going to repeat this until we have a total of 45 rows. Okay, once you're finished with your 45 rows, now we're going to join our ends together with a slip stitch. Okay, chain 1 and flip our work so the wrong side is facing in and the right side is facing up. And then we're just going to single crochet in each stitch around. So you should have a total of 45 single crochet. Okay, we're going to join with the slip stitch, and we're going to fasten off. Now we're going to grab our worsted weight yarn and our 6 millimeter hook, and we're going to attach it to the seam where we just fastened off. Chain 2, and this counts as our first DC, and we're going to DC in each single crochet around.
Now we're going to join with a slip stitch, and we're going to work a front post double crochet around your beginning chain 2 from the previous row. And now we're going to work 2 back post double crochet around the next 2 DCs. Then work a front post double crochet around the next DC. Now we're going to work our first puff stitch. So to do that, we're going to yarn over, insert hook into the next DC, draw up a loop, so 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch and draw up another loop. You're going to do that 9 times to have a total of 21 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 21 loops, and then you're going to chain 1. In the next DC, we're going to work a front post double crochet. And then in the next 2 DCs, we're going to work 2 back post double crochet. Okay, in the next DC, we're going to make a front post double crochet. And then in the next DC, we're going to work a puff stitch. And then in the next DC, we're going to work a front post double crochet, and we're just going to do this all the way around. When you're finished with the round, you should end on a puff stitch. And we're going to start the next round with another front post double crochet around the previous front post double crochet, and then we're going to work 2 back post double crochet around the 2 back post double crochet, and another front post double crochet around the front post double crochet, and they're going to work another puff stitch in the puff stitch from the previous row. Chain 1, work a front post double crochet around the front post double crochet, back post double crochet around the next 2 back post double crochet, front post double crochet around the front post double crochet,
And then we're going to work a puff stitch in the previous puff stitch, and we're just going to repeat this all the way around to the end of the row. Okay, once you're finished with your second row of puff stitches, this is what it should look like. And I dimmed the lighting because I feel like you could see the stitches better. And you are going to repeat that last row 5 more times, so you will have a total of 7 rows of puff stitches, and I will meet you back here when you're finished. Okay, once you're all done with your 7 rows of puff stitches, this is what it should look like. And we are going to start off with a front post double crochet around your first front post double crochet. Next, we're going to do a back post double crochet 2 together. Then work another front post double crochet, and then work a puff stitch, chain 1, and then work another front post double crochet, and then back post double crochet 2 together, front post double crochet. And then you're just going to repeat these steps all the way around to the end of the row. Okay, once you're finished with that row, we're going to start off with a single crochet in your front post double crochet. And we're going to skip the back post double crochet, and we're going to work a single crochet in the next front post double crochet. And we're going to work another single crochet in the puff stitch, and then we're going to work a single crochet in the front post double crochet. We're going to skip the back post double crochet. We're going to work a single crochet in the front post double crochet. We're going to work a single crochet in the puff stitch, and we're just going to keep repeating this all the way around to the end of the row. Okay, once you're done with that row, we are going to start with a DC in your first single crochet. And then we're going to work a DC in the next single crochet, and in each single crochet, we're going to work a DC all the way around to the end of the row. Okay, once we're done with that row, we are going to work a single crochet in your first DC. I'm going to adjust the lighting a little bit. And we're going to work a single crochet in each DC around into the end of the row. Okay, we're going to join with a slip stitch to your first single crochet, and we're going to leave a long string of yarn so we can weave in and out to close the top of your hat. Okay, so right now I'm going to get my threading needle. And I'm going to go back and forth, making the long tail into a drawstring. Once you're done, you're going to pull tight to close the hole. And then you're going to take your threading needle and you're going to push it inside the middle hole. And then you're going to flip your hat inside out. And you're going to go through one part of the hole to the other part of the hole. And you're going to do that a couple of times so it's nice and secure, so it doesn't come loose. Once you feel it's nice and secure, you kind of fasten off. Okay, and you're done. If you choose to leave it like that, that's fine. I kind of like this hat with a pom-pom on top. You can do a fur pom-pom, or if you want a yarn pom-pom. All looks really great on this hat. I actually chose to put a fur pom-pom on top of mine. And here's mine, my finished beanie. And my son picked out the colors and I love them. So thank you so much for watching my tutorial, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.